In recent years, the field of search engine optimization, often referred to as SEO, has undergone a significant shift with the rise of artificial intelligence technologies. AI-powered chatbots and language models like ChatGPT and Bard are making waves in the industry, leading many to wonder if they will eventually replace SEO altogether. Before we dive into the potential impact of AI on SEO, it's important to understand what these technologies are and how they work. ChatGPT is an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. The model has been pre-trained on a massive dataset of text, enabling it to generate responses based on the context of the input. Bard is a conversational generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google, based on the LaMDA family of large language models. It was developed as a direct response to the rise of OpenAI's ChatGPT, and was released in a limited capacity in March 2023 to lukewarm responses. So, how do these AI models relate to SEO? One of the most important factors in SEO is the quality and relevance of content. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to analyze content and determine its relevance to specific search queries. ChatGPT and Bard can help improve content relevance by generating natural language responses that are contextually relevant to the search query. For example, if a user types "where is a good family vacation destination?" into a search engine, ChatGPT can generate responses based on its understanding of the context of the query. This can help improve the relevance of search results and provide users with more accurate and helpful information. In addition to improving content relevance, ChatGPT and Bard can also help improve website structure and technical aspects. For example, ChatGPT can analyze user behavior on a website to determine which pages are most useful and relevant. This can help website owners optimize their site structure to improve user experience and increase engagement. Similarly, Bard can help improve technical aspects of a website by analyzing how search engines crawl and index web pages. By understanding the meaning behind the words on a page, Bard can help ensure that search engines are able to accurately interpret and index the content. So, will ChatGPT and Bard replace SEO? The short answer is no. While these AI models can certainly improve the quality and relevance of content, they are just tools that can help supplement existing SEO strategies. SEO is a complex and ever-evolving field that requires a combination of technical expertise, analytical skills, and creativity. AI models like ChatGPT and Bard can certainly help improve the efficiency and effectiveness of SEO, but they are not a substitute for human expertise. Ultimately, the success of any SEO strategy depends on a range of factors, including keyword research, content creation, link building, and technical optimization. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Bard are powerful AI models that can help improve the quality and relevance of content, website structure, and technical aspects. However, they are not a magic solution to SEO. Instead, they should be viewed as tools that can help supplement existing SEO strategies and improve their effectiveness. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to check the video description below for a list of AI SEO tools you can use to enhance your existing and new content projects.